Kindly introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Rhea Viva Lauro, 24 years old, single. I worked before as a housemaid for 3 family members, husband, wife, and their child, and I take care of the child. And
Okay, so you are single without kids?
yeah, I'm single without kids.
Do you have live-in partner?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so single.
Yes.
And you've never worked abroad before?
No, but I have an experience here in local
Okay.
for as 2 years in household.
Okay. So you mentioned you served 3 members in the family, right? The husband, wife, and the kid. Were you the one who's taking care of the small child?
Yes, I am the one who taking care of their child, and
So you're the one who's taking care of the child. How old is the child?
the child is I will take care of the child I from 2 years old, from 4 years old here in the Manila.
So when he or she was 2 years old up until he or she became 4 years old. Okay. And aside from taking care of the child, do you do household work as well for the
Yes,
employer? Okay. Why do you want to work as domestic helper in Malaysia?
I want to work as domestic helper in Malaysia because I want to help my family for their financial needs and for my future.
Okay. Why did you choose Malaysia? Why not other country?
I choose Malaysia because Malaysia is near in the Philippines, and we have a same time zone, and I've never had any abuse.
Okay. So if you work there, what do you prefer to take care?
I will take care the baby, the child, and the elderly.
Okay. Is your first choice newborn baby or small children?
Yeah, it's
Newborn baby or small
newborn
children?
and-
So you're okay with newborn baby and small children?
Yeah.
Okay. Um, how long do you plan to work in Malaysia?
I will finish my contract, and if my employer is good, I will extend as long as they need me.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
To be honest, I don't know, but I'm
Okay.
willing to learn.
Okay, even simple Filipino food, you don't know?
I know, like adobo.
Okay, so Filipino food, you know how to cook?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any allergies in pets?
No.
Are you willing to work to an employer who has pet?
Yes.
Dogs or cats?
Yes.
You're okay. Do you have any food that you don't like to eat?
No.
Any allergy in food?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to surrender your cell phone to your employer during working hours?
Yes, I am willing to surrender my cell phone during working hours, and it depends on the employer if she wants me to use my cell phone after
Okay.
work.
How many day off would you like to have?
It depends on the employer.
Okay, so what if the employer asks you, or you can decide yourself, how many day off would you like to have in a month?
Once.
Once. Okay.
Once a month.
You understand that during day off, you won't be allowed to go outside alone?
Yeah, I will understand.
Okay. Lastly, can you tell me what is your dream for yourself?
I want to build a business soon.
Okay, to put up your own business. Right. Well, that's it for our interview, Rhea. Thank you so much for your time today.